The world of cryptocurrency is never short of surprises. And the latest entrant to this roller coaster ride is Hbar, the Hedera Hashgraph token. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of this digital asset that's making waves in the crypto universe. Over the past 2 weeks, HBR has been riding a bullish wave, surging a whopping 25%. Yes, you heard that right, a quarter of its value gained in just a fortnight. Now that's what we call a breakout performance. As of now, the token is trading at a price of $0.1101. Not bad for a relatively new player in the game, wouldn't you say? But it's not just the recent surge that's turning heads. HBR has also been delivering quite the performance over the longer term. In the last month, it's seen a positive return of 5.13%. And if we take a look at the yearly return, well, the figure is an astonishing 89.71%. We're talking almost doubling its value in a year. Now, what's the word on the street about HBR's future? Well, the analysts are buzzing with predictions of a potential rise towards $0.1500. That's a significant uptick from the current price. And while the world of crypto is unpredictable, these predictions do lend a certain level of excitement to the HBR narrative. With a market cap of $5.99 billion and a total supply of 73.68 million tokens, HBAR is making its presence felt in the crypto market. HBAR's journey hasn't been a straight upward climb though. The token has shown volatility in price movements, with a recent spike and drop in trading activity. Indeed, the world of cryptocurrency is not for the faint of heart. It's a roller coaster ride. And HBAR is no exception. It has experienced its own share of peaks and valleys, with price movements that can be as unpredictable as they are dramatic. The recent spike in trading activity is a testament to this volatility. Imagine being on a high-speed train with the scenery outside your window changing rapidly. One moment you're cruising along a flat landscape, the next, you're climbing a steep mountain or plunging into a deep valley. That's what trading HBAR can feel like. The price can surge to new heights only to plummet moments later. This volatility can be nerve-wracking, but it also presents opportunities for those who know how to navigate it. But what causes this volatility? It can be influenced by a variety of factors, from market sentiment to economic indicators to breaking news. In the case of HBAR, the surge in trading activity can be seen as a sign of increased interest in the token. This can lead to increased buying pressure, which in turn can drive the price up. However, if this buying pressure is not sustained, it can lead to a rapid drop in price. How does this volatility impact investors? Well, it depends on their investment strategy. Some investors thrive on volatility. They see it as an opportunity to buy low and sell high. These are the risk takers, the ones who are willing to ride the roller coaster in the hopes of making a big profit. On the other hand, there are those who prefer a more stable investment. They might be put off by the volatility of HBAR and decide to invest in other, more stable cryptocurrencies. This can lead to a decrease in demand for HBAR, which can in turn lead to a drop in price. Despite the volatility, the development activity is on the rise, indicating short-term bullish sentiment. Yes, it's true. The roller coaster ride doesn't deter everyone. There are those who see the potential in HBAR and are willing to invest in its future. And as more and more people join the ride, the future of HBAR looks brighter than ever. The open interest data suggests a shift towards long positions, further strengthening the bullish sentiment for HBAR. Open interest in layman's terms is the total number of outstanding contracts that have not been settled. In the world of cryptocurrency, it refers to the total number of contracts or positions that are open and yet to be liquidated. This is a crucial metric as it gives us an insight into the flow of money into the market. Now, the shift towards long positions in the open interest data for HBAR is a positive sign. It means that more and more traders and investors are betting on the price of HBAR to rise in the future. This is an indication of the growing confidence in the bullish trend of HBAR. But the story doesn't end with open interest. Let's take a look at the technical indicators. These are a set of tools used by traders to predict future price movements. They provide statistical analysis of market conditions such as price, volume, and open interest. For HBAR, the technical indicators are pointing towards further upside potential. There are two key levels that we need to pay attention to: the support and resistance levels. The support level is the price at which demand is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from falling any further. For HBAR, these levels are at 1 cent and just under 1 cent. On the flip side, The resistance level is the price at which selling is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising any further. For Hbar, these are at just over 1 cent and 1.5 cents. What does this mean? Well, if Hbar can stay above its support levels and break through its resistance levels, it's a strong indication that the bullish trend could continue. The interplay between these levels and the price of Hbar is what traders watch closely to make their investment decisions. These indicators paint a promising picture for Hbar's future performance. So, what does all this mean for Hbar and its investors? Let's take a moment to look back at our journey so far. We've seen Hbar, the token of Hedera Hashgraph, riding a wave of bullish sentiment. In the last 2 weeks alone, it managed to break out and surge by a hefty 25%. That's certainly not an achievement to be taken lightly in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Speaking of volatility, it's been quite a roller coaster ride for Hbar. The token has seen some significant price movements with a recent spike and drop in trading activity. This kind of volatility can be daunting for some, but it's also what makes the crypto market so exciting and potentially lucrative. But it's not just about the ups and downs. In the midst of all this, there's been a noticeable shift in the market sentiment towards Hbar. Open interest data suggests that more and more people are taking long positions, indicating a belief in the token's future potential. That's a strong vote of confidence in Hbar from the market. So, where does Hbar go from here? Well, the token's development activity is on the rise, which is often a positive sign. Analysts are also predicting a potential rise towards the 15 cents mark. With support levels holding steady and resistance levels within sight, the stage seems set for Hbar to further explore its upside potential. But as always, the world of cryptocurrencies is full of uncertainties. Market trends can change in an instant, and predictions are just that, predictions. What we do know is that Hbar has shown impressive resilience and growth in a highly competitive market. Its recent performance and the bullish market sentiment are promising indicators of what could lie ahead. With its recent performance and the market's bullish sentiment, Hbar has certainly carved a niche for itself in the crypto world. Whether it will continue to rise and reach new heights, only time will tell.